This is 2023 and AI is booming. So you must have heard about the ChatGPT, one of revolutionary chatbot. So I have been diving to search for the more of the AIs where I found these some few AIs which can improve your productivity and can boost your productivity, and you can use these AIs for the video creation, and this AI are fantastic. They are doing your jobs in a few seconds, so you need not to do much more editing, or you need not to learn about much more. So simply you can start working on that, and boom, your work will be done by the AI, and you can improve your productivity. Let's start exploring this. The first AI which I want to talk about is the ChatGPT, which is developed by the OpenAI. So it's an revolutionary chatbot where it will give you the human kind of text reply to you. Whatever you search, it will give a reply like a human. So now we are going to search for some speech for a good habit. So it is generating a text which is a good response generated by the chat gpt, and now we will copy this response, and we are going to use this response for the other AIs. So now the second AI which I want to talk is TID, so which is another AI tool used for generation of the videos. Here you can create or develop your presentation based on the AI representers. So these are the digital creations of humankind. So you can use these different avatars, or you can use these different presenters for giving any kind of a presentation. So if you are not available and you want to give, so you can record your voice and can create a video. So for this one, now let's click on the create video, which is on the right hand side, and here upfront you will see some of the representers. Here multiple options are there, and also you can generate your AI generated representer, which is an avatar for the different creatures, or it may be a animated kind of a photo or presenters. And also you can search in this box, and you can type your own, so it will do a search, will generate the representer for you, and when you click on the generate, it will create your avatar or presenter. So now what we are going to do is, in the right hand side you can see there's a script section. So the text which we had copied from the chat gpt we will paste here, and now below that you can see there are the different languages where in which language you want to present. So you can choose and what audio you want, either you want a female voice or you want a male voice. That option is also available with you. Apart from that, there is an also the audio part where you can record your audio and this and can upload, and after that this AI will predict or generate the audio. And for the generating you need to have an account with the DID, and so you need to do a sign up. So for that, now click on the sign up part and complete your sign in. Once we are done, now you will again going to click on the generate video, and after that, once we click on the generate video, it will generate your video, and it is going to take some time for generation of the video, because it is going to, so in the few seconds this will get generated, which is a very good AI. We can use it for our presentation. Also this is making the human life more easy. So I started using this AI for my presentations, and I'm getting a good response. So once this is generated, we'll see how this avatar is talking or how it is doing our presentation. So it may take there some time. So let's, once it is done, I will again come back. So now my presentation is being created and my video is created, and now see our presentation.
Ladies and gentlemen, good habits are essential for a successful and fulfilling life. They help us form a positive routine and increase our chances of success in both our personal.
So here you can see that it's moving his mouth and it's also doing the hand gesture. So it just looks like an AI. And also for your YouTube videos you can use that. Now we are going to talk about another AI which is in Pictory, which is also again a video creation. That is again a more kind of a video editor AI we can see. So in this you can do a login. Once your account is created you will get these things, and this is one of the best AI for me which I am using for the creation of the videos or the YouTube videos which you can use. So basically it's the similar kind of a AI where again we are going to give a video title, and after that I am going to paste the same script which I had been generated from the ChatGPT, and I will paste it over here. And now we have to click on the proceed button. So once you click there, there will be some templates pre-built for you. Wo- Here you will be like what kind of the text you want, with where you want. So you can see the subtitles over here. So now what I am looking is kind of the subtitle italic. So these are the videos or the ratio aspect you want to choose. If you want to create for the TikTok, for the YouTube, or for the original, then you can choose accordingly your ratio. Now I'm going to create a video for the YouTube, so I will choose 16 by 9 there. So it will generate the video for you. So it will again take some few seconds for the generation of the video based on the text. And now my video is generated. So you can see that the paragraph wise my screen is divided, and you can see the video is generated. So the ladies and gentlemen, the images got like these. So there is also an add voiceover is also coming, which you can see on the right hand side. You can upload your voice. This part I will cover later because I have another AI for the AI which is much more interesting. Now when you click on this into, you can see there are the different short videos is there. So based on that good habits you're running live, then it is took the positive routine. So it has created that video. And also if you want to delete that video and want to create a particular segment, then you can do a delete also. So everything, it's quite interesting here. You need not to do any video search or link. You can simply just type your text or type your speech over there, and it will create a video for you, which is a quite interesting AI I have seen. And I am using this AI from a long time. And now if you want to do some background audio change, so there you can do. If you want to change the text, like you want to add your subtitle your body, then that thing also is there. Now if you want to change the subtitle style, so you can do that thing like intro subtitle, then out style is also a good one. And similarly you have the format again. If you want to click for the another format, you can choose from here also. So now if you want to add some stickers also, which you can do, just do a double click and it will come in your video. And this is how you can delete your sticker also. Now click on the generate and your video will get generated. So now we'll move ahead and we'll talk about fourth AI which we are going to talk about. So the next AI which I want to talk is the Murph AI, one of the good AI for the voice generation, and it feels like the real people voice. So you can use this voice for your videos, and if you want to convert your speech into an audio, this is one of the best AI. So once you do a login, you will be prompted with this text where you will be going to create your project. And now click on your project which you have created and create a new project. After that we are going to choose as a start with a blank path. So we'll do it from the scratch. So when our template of workspace is ready, it will look like this. And now above here, when you, it's the space where we are going to copy and paste. So let's paste our script which is generated by chat GPT, and once you do a paste, it is divided into few parts. And now once here you can see by default it has chosen the presenter voice, so you can choose your voice based on your subscription, and if you want to go ahead with a male voice then you can do that thing also. So now it's a simple, the part is done. We only need to do a export. If you want to play this specific part you can do. So now what we are going to do, now we are going to play our audio. So you can click on play button and it will generate your audio. So it will take some time to build your audio, and once done, now I'm going to play that. Now listen up. Ladies and gentlemen, good habits are essential for a successful and fulfilling life. They help us form a positive routine and increase our chances of success in both our personal and professional lives. Some of the most important good habits include exercise regularly. Physical activity helps keep our bodies and minds healthy. Eat well. Eating nutritious foods provides us with the energy and nutrients we need to function at our best. And you can click on the download or the export, and here you can choose your specific format and you can do a download over there. Manage stress. Finding healthy ways to cope with. And now we can use the audio in our previous AI. So by mixing those AIs we can generate our subtitle in a audio part. So for this you have to do an add voice over, and here you can upload. So the best part of this AI feels like it do a synchronization of your audio. So you have to paste your audio here and this AI will do the synchronization of your audio which is generated by the previous AI, and then you are ready to go and your video will be created. So let's discuss now about the fifth API. So now we are looking for a DAL E2 AI which is built by the OpenAI, the same who has built the Chat GPT. So now this AI is for the creating the images. So here you have to do a login. So once you have that account, you can will get this screen. And now once it is here, you have to write the text and AI will generate an image for you. So if you want to generate an image, you can either upload it or you have to write the text. So here I am going to search, or I want a generation of the image that contains the minions within space. So let's see what the output AI is going to generate. So I will also now I will click on the generate and we'll see what it is generating. So let's say not flying, I will just type minions in space and now we'll click on generate and let's see what it is going to generate. It is taking some time to load, so we have to wait. So here we can generate as what font. So here it has created the image where the minions are in the space, but I don't like much about this picture. So you can explore more about this and you can learn how you can play with that. Let type the having in the space shuttle. Again it's going to do a search. Now it's loading and it has put that images in this place. So these are the images which it is generating. I think it is going to generate more when you will be more specific or the general questions will be asked. So now I have just choose the option for the surprise me and let's see what the AI is going to generate for itself. So we need to wait and let's see. It is going to generate a paint image of the basketball. Yeah, this is a good output of the image generated. So you can download if you want to edit, you can do. So is the last AI which I want to discuss, Runway AI. So I like this AI very much. Here you can edit your image, even you can edit your videos. So the flow which I told you is first for the creation of the text, then images, then video, and now you can do edit. For this one, you have to create an account. Once it is done, you will get this screen. So now once you're logged in, you will able to see these screens. Now what I'm looking is an AI magic tools. So these are the tools for the different kind of activities you can do. If you want a portrait generator or you want to animal generator, so you can choose this one. Currently I selected the frame interpolation, where you can add and can do the stuff you wanted to do. And they have the multiple options available with them. And also they have the project section, where you can get your all the projects which you have been working from long time. And what I am basically looking to show you one tutorial for adding green background. So they have the inbuilt tutorial which you can learn by yourself if you want to explore more. And if you they have the YouTube videos inbuilt in this, and you will be prompted to that route, and you will able to
We're going to
learn
be looking at how to use
how you
Runway's green
can do
screen
the edit
feature, where you can
of
isolate
from the
objects from
video
their
edition or
background, and
image
it gives you the best result
edition
possible
with
with very little time
that
needed.
particular
And this
tool.
is useful
So
for
they
video
have the multiple
compositing
tools
tasks,
available.
replacing the
So
background.
now which I am looking is an in painting, where you can remove the objects. So for timing, I am taking their own videos which they have in there pre-uploaded. So I will take that and will try to show you this some addition which you can use. So you have to pick up that file and paste below. So once it is done, your file will load it over here. And here if you want the object to remove, so here I want to remove this man from this ocean and a land. So what you have to do is just in-paint that person, and that person will be get removed from your whole video. So you have to keep it precisely, and once it is done, you can play your video. So I'm now going to preview, and you can see that it is going to remove from the whole the video. It's set at the keyframe, and now as video moves, you can see that person is not. So you have to be very smooth in removing that thing. So so these are the few AIs which I found very easy to use and easily to learn and understand for the video creation and for the video edit. So I use this for in my daily life for the YouTube video creation. You can also use it, and let me know in the comment if you find a new AI editor or with the video creation AI which you used. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe.